Hey everyone, it's Mark A. Brownlee here, and today we're diving into the future. Let's talk about what the big tech giants are planning for 2025 that we absolutely can't wait for. We're talking next-level innovation, the kind of stuff that seems straight out of science fiction but is closer than you think. From augmented reality that blends seamlessly with our world to quantum computers that could revolutionize entire industries, the future is looking incredibly exciting. So buckle up, because we're about to explore the tech that's going to reshape our lives in just a few short years. First up, we're taking a look at Apple and their highly anticipated AR glasses. These glasses have been the subject of much speculation and excitement in the tech community. Apple has a history of revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, and their AR glasses are poised to be no different. Now, we've all heard the rumors, seen the concept videos, and let's be honest, the potential here is mind-blowing. The idea of augmented reality has been around for a while, but Apple's entry into this space could be the catalyst that brings AR into the mainstream. Imagine a world where you can get directions overlaid on your actual view, check notifications without pulling out your phone, or even have a virtual meeting with colleagues who appear as holograms right in your living room. The possibilities are endless, and the convenience factor is off the charts. That's the kind of future Apple is aiming for with their AR glasses. They are not just creating a gadget, they are envisioning a new way of living and interacting with the world around us. This is about enhancing our daily lives in ways we never thought possible. We're talking about a device that's sleek, stylish, and seamlessly integrates with the Apple ecosystem we already know and love. Imagine the ease of having all your Apple devices working together in perfect harmony, with the AR glasses acting as the central hub. Think about it. Instant access to Siri, your favorite apps, and all your data right there in your field of vision. No more fumbling for your phone or tablet, everything you need is just a glance away. This could redefine multitasking and productivity. But it goes beyond just convenience. These glasses have the potential to transform various industries and professions. Imagine architects designing buildings in real time, doctors performing surgery with augmented overlays providing critical information, or even just gaming experiences that blur the lines between the virtual and real world. The applications are vast and varied, limited only by our imagination. Apple's known for its user-friendly approach, so you can bet they're working hard to make these glasses intuitive and comfortable to wear. They understand that for AR glasses to be widely adopted, they need to be as easy to use as any other Apple product. We're talking about a potential game changer in how we interact with technology and the world around us. This isn't just about a new gadget, it's about a new paradigm in human-computer interaction. 2025 can't come soon enough. The future is bright, and with Apple's AR glasses, it's going to be even brighter. Stay tuned as we continue to explore this exciting new frontier. Next up, we're heading over to Google, where they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with quantum computing. This isn't just about making faster computers, it's about fundamentally changing the way we process information. Now, I know what you're thinking. Quantum what? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? It sounds complicated, and honestly, it is. But the potential here is truly revolutionary. Imagine a world where the most complex problems can be solved in the blink of an eye. We're talking about computers that can perform calculations at speeds that would make today's supercomputers look like pocket calculators. The leap in processing power is almost unimaginable. Think about it. Problems that would take traditional computers years, even centuries to solve could be tackled in a matter of hours or even minutes with quantum computing. This isn't just a step forward, it's a giant leap. This has massive implications for fields like medicine, where we could develop life-saving drugs and treatments much faster. Imagine being able to simulate complex biological processes in real time. Or material science, where we could create entirely new materials with properties we never thought possible. The possibilities are endless, from stronger building materials to more efficient batteries. And let's not forget about artificial intelligence. Quantum computing could revolutionize AI, making it more powerful and efficient than ever before. Quantum computing could unlock levels of AI we've only dreamed of, leading to smarter assistants, more accurate predictions, and a deeper understanding of complex data. Imagine AI that can learn and adapt in ways we can't even conceive of today. Google's at the forefront of this technology, and their 2025 plans are sure to be groundbreaking. They're not just aiming to improve, they're aiming to transform. We're talking about a potential paradigm shift in computing power, and I, for one, can't wait to see what they come up with. The future of quantum computing is bright, and it's just around the corner. Now let's talk about something a little closer to home. Literally. Amazon's been teasing us with drone delivery for years, and it looks like 2025 might be the year it finally takes off. Imagine ordering something on Amazon and having it arrive at your doorstep in 30 minutes or less, delivered by a drone that navigates the skies with precision and ease. That's the future Amazon Prime Air is building. We're talking about a complete overhaul of the delivery game, one that could eliminate traffic congestion, reduce delivery times, and make online shopping even more convenient. Imagine never having to leave your house for last-minute groceries or waiting days for a package to arrive. Of course, there are challenges to overcome like safety regulations, airspace management, and ensuring the drones can handle various weather conditions. But Amazon's investing heavily in this technology, and their 2025 plans suggest they're confident in overcoming these hurdles. Get ready for a future where the skies are filled with delivery drones, bringing your packages right to your doorstep. Next up, we're shifting gears and talking about Tesla and their ambitious plans for full self-driving cars. Now, Tesla's been a leader in the electric vehicle space for a while now, but their self-driving technology is what really sets them apart. Imagine a world where cars can navigate traffic, park themselves, and even pick you up without you ever having to touch the steering wheel. That's the future Tesla's envisioning, and they're putting their money where their mouth is. They're constantly collecting data from their vehicles on the road, refining their algorithms, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with autonomous driving. We're talking about a potential revolution in transportation, one that could drastically reduce accidents, improve traffic flow, and give people back valuable time they would have spent commuting. Of course, safety is paramount, and Tesla's well aware of that. They're rigorously testing their technology, working with regulators, and constantly improving their systems to ensure the safety of both passengers and pedestrians. 2025 could be the year we see Tesla's vision for full self-driving become a reality, changing the way we think about transportation forever. Finally, we're diving into the metaverse with Facebook, or should I say, Meta. This rebranding marks a significant shift in focus for the company, signaling their commitment to pioneering the next evolution of the internet. Now, the metaverse is a concept that's been around in science fiction for a while, but Facebook's taking concrete steps to make it a reality. This isn't just about creating a new platform, it's about building an entirely new digital ecosystem where the boundaries between the physical and virtual worlds blur. Imagine a persistent shared virtual world where you can interact with people, work, play games, attend events, and even own digital property, all through avatars and virtual reality headsets. This vision extends beyond mere entertainment. It encompasses education, healthcare, and even governance. That's the essence of the metaverse, and Facebook's investing billions in building it. Their investment isn't just financial, it's also a commitment to developing the technology and infrastructure needed to support this expansive virtual universe. We're talking about a potential paradigm shift in how we socialize, work, and even think about reality itself. The metaverse could redefine our daily interactions, making virtual meetings and social gatherings as commonplace as sending a text message. Imagine attending a concert with friends from all over the world, all from the comfort of your own home. The metaverse promises to bring people together in ways we've never experienced before, breaking down geographical barriers and creating new forms of social interaction. Or collaborating with colleagues in a virtual office space that feels just as real as being there in person. This could revolutionize remote work, making it more immersive and interactive, and potentially increasing productivity and job satisfaction. Of course, there are challenges to overcome, like creating a truly immersive and engaging experience. Developers are working tirelessly to enhance the realism and interactivity of virtual environments, ensuring that users feel fully immersed in the metaverse. Ensuring user privacy and safety is another critical concern. As we spend more time in virtual spaces, protecting our personal data and maintaining secure environments will be paramount, and preventing the metaverse from becoming another walled garden controlled by a tech giant is a significant challenge. Advocates are pushing for open-source virtual environments to ensure digital freedom and prevent monopolistic control, but Facebook's committed to making the metaverse a reality, and their 2025 plans are sure to be ambitious. They're not just envisioning a new digital space, they're planning a comprehensive transformation of how we interact with technology and each other. We're talking about a potential new frontier for humanity, one that could change the way we live, work, and play forever, the metaverse represents a bold step into the future, promising to reshape our digital and physical realities in profound ways. That's it for today, folks. What are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.